Is your Wi-Fi weak in one room but strong in another? Before you spend money on a new range extender, let me show you how to convert your old TP-Link router into a wireless extender using just your phone or PC. This method works for most routers and is completely free. Before we start, the most important step is resetting the old router. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds until the router reboots. Now it's back to factory defaults. Clean and ready. Next, we need to connect to the old TP-Link router. If you're using Wi-Fi, connect to the default network name printed on the router label. If you're using Ethernet, just plug the cable in. No internet required at this stage. Now we need to access the router's settings page. On a Windows PC, press Windows plus R, type CMD, and press Enter. Type ipconfig and hit Enter. Look for default gateway. Open any browser and type that IP into the address bar. You'll now see the router login page. The default username and password are usually printed on the router label. Once logged in, you're ready to configure it. Now select Quick Setup. When asked for the operating mode, choose Range Extender. This tells the router that it will extend an existing Wi-Fi network instead of creating a new internet connection. The router will now scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your main Wi-Fi network, the one you want to extend. Important, make sure the signal strength shown here is good or at least medium. If the signal is weak, the extender will also be slow. Next, you'll be asked for security settings. Enter the password of your main Wi-Fi so the router can connect to it. You'll also see an option to set the extender Wi-Fi name. You can keep the same Wi-Fi name for seamless roaming, or rename it, choose what works best for you. Save the settings and let the setup complete. The router will reboot. Once setup is successful, the internet light on the router should turn green. That's your confirmation that the extender is connected to the main router. Now connect your phone or laptop to the extender Wi-Fi and run a speed test. You will notice a slight decrease in speed compared to the main Wi-Fi, and that's normal. Why? Because the extender receives and retransmits the signal wirelessly. But the coverage will be much better, especially in rooms where Wi-Fi was weak before. And that's it. You've just turned an old TP-Link router into a wireless range extender. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more real tech fixes. And comment below if you want a wired extender or mesh setup tutorial. And feel free to check out my other videos as well. You can find them in the info card above or in the end screen pop-ups for more useful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.